Okay.
This battery pack was left for balancing. More than 12 hours, and now we are going to check whether the battery modules are balanced or not. So I'm going to take measurement here at number 1 module. And also here at number 28, so this is number 1 module. As you can see, it's 8 volt, and this is number 28 module. As you can see, it's exactly 8 volt, so our battery pack modules are properly balanced. Now I'm going to remove these balance-in terminals from the battery modules and check the 2 modules 1 and 28 with modules balancing terminals removed. Okay, now we are going to check the number. 1 module voltage with the balancing terminals removed. And also compare that with the module number 28 here and see the differences in the voltage value. So this is module number 1, for example. As you can see, it's exactly the same as the balancing terminals were connected. Terminals were connected. And I'm going to measure that at the module number 28 too. And as you can see, it's exactly 8.078 volts. So it means that our balancing method was successful. Now, I'm going to install the battery pack to the vehicle.